Hello friends, this is Dr. Abdul Mubin A. Mundewadi from Mundewadi Ayurvedic Clinic. In today's video, we will discuss Ayurvedic herbal treatment for Huntington's disease. This is also known as Huntington's Chorea because it causes involuntary movements of the limbs, usually of the upper limbs. Now, this is a very serious neurodegenerative disorder in which the brain cells start degenerating and it causes symptoms. Now, the cause for this is usually genetic. It is hereditary and runs in families. There is a faulty gene. Because of the faulty gene, faulty Huntington's protein is produced in the brain, and this is abnormally large and toxic. It breaks down, and this breaking down of the protein can cause degeneration of the nerves in the brain. Now this gradually causes all the symptoms. The symptoms come about usually quite slowly and may take several years, even 15-20 years or more to develop fully. But in the long run, this disease can prove to be fatal. The symptoms include loss of balance, incoordination, difficulty in speaking, tremors, involuntary movement of the hand, and psychiatric symptoms. Now, as of today, there is no specific cure for this disease in the modern system of medicine. Only symptomatic treatment can be given, and there are a lot of experimental clinical trials going on. But so far, no medicine has proved to be very effective or curative for the disease. Now, Ayurvedic herbal treatment can be used very judiciously and very well in the treatment of this disease. Ayurvedic herbal treatment can bring about significant improvement in such patients. And needless to say, the earlier the treatment is started, better the results will be. Ayurvedic herbal treatment is given in the form of oral medication, and it is the efficacy can be increased very much by adding Ayurvedic Panchakarma treatment. These Ayurvedic Panchakarma treatments include Nasya, Shirobasti or Shirodhara, full body massage, and Basti treatment. Now, a combination of all these can help to control the symptoms very well in just a few weeks or in a few months, and the patient's symptoms can be stabilized for a very long time. If oral medication is continued for several more months, the patient can come to near normal. Now, in order to prevent a relapse in the long run, treatment can be given for a few months every few years for up to say about 3 or 4 years in order to stabilize the disease and help the patient live a near normal life. So, Ayurvedic herbal treatment combined with the Panchakarma therapy can be very judiciously used in the treatment of Huntington's disease or Huntington's Chorea. So, patients affected from this disease or their families need not get disheartened. Ayurvedic herbal treatment is very useful in treating and controlling this disease. So, friends, this is a short description of Ayurvedic herbal treatment for Huntington's disease. Let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.